What's up, mi gente? This is Jackie with Get Ready With Me Jewelry Stories. And today I'm doing an unboxing. I bought a piece of jewelry from Lady Holiday. And she's a vendor that I met at one of the vintage shows. And her name is Francesca. And she sent me this. I took out the tag and the label for our privacy. And she sent me this box. And the piece of jewelry is in here. And I thought, you know, it might be a good thing for me to just show it this unboxing with you on camera. It's the first time I think I'm doing this. So what does she have here? Lady Holiday, a bit fancy, a bit classy. And if you knew Francesca, you would know she is most certainly a very classy woman. So, oh, look how cute. The packaging is awesome. Let's take a look at, first of all, look what's in the box. She put this beautiful, beautiful paper, and it looks lovely. I love the packaging. It's like getting a nice, sweet little gift. And then we have here Lady Holiday. It has her beautiful picture with an abundance of joy. Thank you for loving Lady Holiday. Enjoy. Cheers to you. Wink, wink. Lady H. Oh, look how sweet. You have to check her out on Instagram. And if you happen to be in New York and surrounding areas, you will see her in some of the shows. I saw this in one of her Instagram posts, and I had to get it. I can't wait to open this box up. Look at this. Look how cute the packaging is with this gorgeous little tassel. And I definitely recycle all of my packaging. So, oh, look at this. This ribbon will definitely get recycled, and so will this beautiful, beautiful tassel. Let's put that over here. And it's in this Chinese box. Oh, how cute is that? Look at this Chinese box. Love it. She packages everything lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, let's see what she got in here. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bags. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And you know why? Because it feels like Christmas or my birthday. And it's such in like a Bridgerton type theme. Let's see. Look at the earrings I got. Oh, they're lovely. Oh my gosh. They're more lovely than what I originally saw in the picture. So nice when you get things and they end up being nicer than you expected. Oops, sorry guys. I'm so excited I'm making a little bit of a mess. Look at these earrings. Look at them. Look at the way they glisten. I'm obsessed with these types of earrings. These earrings are from the Regency era. It might even go back even further to the Renaissance even. And these are called Girandole earrings. And they were very, very popular. Imagine these earrings being used in the candlelight. And the way they glisten. So freaking beautiful. What do you guys think? Do you love it as much as I do? Let me know. Can't wait to wear them. Thank you, Lady Holiday, and thank you, Francesca. And if you're interested in purchasing something from her, take a look at her YouTube page. Take a look at her Instagram page. All right, peoples, that's all I got for you with this one. Love it, love it. Thank you, mwah, Francesca.